Mastering irregular ordinal numbers in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of irregular ordinal numbers. We've already covered what ordinal numbers are, and you've done an excellent job mastering those. But English, as you may already know, doesn't always follow its own rules, and we have some irregularities to deal with. So let's decode these irregular ordinal numbers together. First off, let's clarify what we mean by irregular ordinal numbers. These are numbers that do not follow the common rule of just adding th to the end of a cardinal number to create its ordinal form. Instead, they have unique forms that you must memorize. It's like meeting some eccentric characters in the world of numbers. Now, let's get to know these unusual suspects. 1 becomes first. 2 becomes second. 3 becomes third. These three are the only irregular ordinal numbers in English. So once you've mastered these, you're set. Now that we know our irregulars, let's see them in action in sentences. I finished first in the race. Not, I finished 1 in the race. She lives on the second floor. Not, she lives on the 2 floor. This is the 3rd time I've told you. Not, this is the 3 time I've told you. Remember, practice is key here. So try to use these ordinal numbers in your everyday conversations and writings. There we have it, the world of irregular ordinal numbers. While they may seem tricky at first, with a little bit of practice, they'll become second nature to you. Keep practicing, and remember, even though these are irregular, they're still part of the rule. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. That's it for today. As always, I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.